everybody. Happy Friday. I'm just a pink girl living in my pink world here on YouTube. My name is Dolores, and I am here to show you today about Canva. I honestly had a question from somebody who asked me, why did I get into Canva and why do I always recommend it as a great option? It is great for beginners. You can get step-by-step help, and you can do everything from start your business to maintain your business to build websites to do documents for work or even make social media posts. This is a one-stop shop for you. And so today we're going to talk about prints. As you see, you can make anything from wrapping paper to design envelopes. For those of us who might not have the materials, such as a Cricut, or you don't know how to print out certain things or get them printed out, this might be an option for you because you design it, Canva will print it, okay? So today we're going to make a mug, okay? I want to see a mug. As you see, designs. I choose Mother's Day, Mom. Because Mother's Day is coming up, you get to pick whatever you want. Let's just try Mom, see if anything comes up. Best mom ever. We can start with this design. And you always put a second sheet here. So it's Mom, I love you. I want to take that out. And I want to, because my mom is a purple lover. Let's see. Purple flowers. And you see it comes up with different purple flowers. We can actually use photo flowers, or I wonder what it looks like if we put it over this. Let's see if I layer, send back, how it kind of goes. It's like a mom. And then we also can change this to like a dark purple, kind of outline it, change the thickness. I want to change the color of this. I wonder if I can get a darker, like a darker. So you go up there. See how this looks. That looks a little nicer. And then change these to, as you see, the color of the flowers will show up. I always try to go with the template of the photo that I use, and so that makes it really nice. Mom. You also can choose the template you used before. Okay? That looks a little. I'm a big proponent of trying to make sure people can see. The reason I chose this is that secretly, my last name starts with M, and so it's cute. It's a little cute little mug. And then has her favorite little colors. So there we go. Try to sync it up. There we go. Now, I'm going to move this ahead since I put it in the second slide. And I'm going to pick another one. Now, that was cute. I think this is very nice. Mom, known as Santa Elf. That is very cute. But there are like other things. Let's see, Mom. I'm going to choose, I like that type of thing. There we go. Mom, one who sacrifices her sleep, body, sanity, social life, drinking hot coffee, and uh, peeing alone. She also is Superwoman. Okay, I really appreciate that. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna pick that. Again, we're going to dark letters from, well, the darker letter from Mom. And then we're going to do the lighter letters, darker. Okay, I want to kind of stretch it out. And this, I want to put a background to. Let's go back, undo. And we're going to take this and we're going to group it. And then we're going to stretch it out. And we're going to put this over here. Drag this a little bit, center it. And then there we go. So that'll be nice. And then we're going to do some more purple flowers. And let's see, graphics. Let's see if this will work. No, I don't quite like that. That's the trial and error of these things. Let's see, stretch this out, stretch that out. If I could just get it a little stretched out. There we go. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen. Kind of get it a little straighter. Also helps to kind of pull it in. Stretch that out a little bit further. There we go. And so, ladies and gentlemen, let us preview the slideshow. Well, not slideshow, the mug. I call it slideshow because sometimes I do slideshows and then I turn them into different designs. So, mug. This is how the mug will look. It's a little $18 cute little mug. And so, this is an option for you to have for Mother's Day. Doesn't have to be too in depth. You can go in depth. And with this, you can have they have a happiness guarantee, which I have used when making business cards for somebody. They ordered it. They didn't quite like the colors of it. So Canva gave us a gift receipt with the amount that we paid for it on it. And then we didn't have to return it. We kept it because they made it. They were like, once we make it, it's it. And they reprinted it for the amount. So it's like we didn't have to pay any extra. They resent it out. Everything was correct. So I really appreciate that about Canva. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is for those who do not have the ability to make it themselves. This might be a great option. Also, if you have a great design, it might be something that is good for you to put out there to sell, because you can actually make these designs and ship it directly to customers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate you all coming to see me today, and I hope this helped you. And to all those out there, come back and see me. Let's have fun, because I want to show you that you can do it yourself when it comes to these graphics. And until then, peace.